One of the most important tools from a production planning perspective is the MRP tool, which is part of the core Deacom ERP system. What we're seeing here is a pre-filter that is built into the system that allows for reporting purposes. This tool allows individual customers to really filter down specific to what they want to look for when they're planning for production. So some of those things may include certain date ranges, certain categories of products, maybe even pull in some specific forecasting, whether we want to include or exclude them as part of our planning purpose. When we look at the MRP report, what we see is down the left-hand side are the items that we're planning for. And then across the top here is all the different buckets of information that are being pulled throughout the entire system. Our suggested quantity here is coming from on-hand materials, reserved or issued materials, which is our hard allocation statuses within the software. Anything that might be in the QC hold, so as you finish product, it may need to have certain testing done before it can actually be sold to a customer or moved further in the production process. We also have current jobs that are scheduled but have not been finished. We may see some transfers from one facility to another. And then we look at some of our demands around sales, so actual sales orders, forecast orders, job requirements that are coming from either our sales or our forecast, which at the end of the day is going to give us a total net requirement of what we need to produce. We also can look at any minimum or maximum stocking quantities that can also drive to that suggested quantity. Once we have these suggestions, all we need to do to create a job and get it into the scheduling is decide which ones we're ready to create and go to create job. Now, in a multi-facility scenario, we can select the specific facility that we want to do our production in. And this will then auto-generate that production order.